In this video, I will guide you how to increase or decrease character spacing in PPT slide. For example, you have a paragraph in PPT. Just Control A to select the paragraph and then right click and go to the font, and you will see that there is a second tab, that is the character spacing. Right now it is normal. So if you want to expand it, then select expand it. And here you can increase the spacing to 2pt and click OK. And here you can see that the spacing has been extended. So if you want to condense the spacing, then again right click and go to the font, go to the character spacing, and this time you can use condensed and click OK. And now you can see that the spacing has been condensed. And further, you can also use your favorite font size, go to the character spacing and caring for fonts, and just you need to increase the font size, for example 16. And here you can see the font size has been increased. So this way you can increase or decrease character spacing in PPT slide. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.